So let us start this. We have started rational number. Any rational number, it is of the form a by b, numerator upon denominator. Now we have completed question number 5. Let us continue question number 6. Separate positive and negative rational numbers from the following: minus 3 by 5, 3 upon minus 5, minus 3 upon minus 5, 3 by 5, 0, minus 13 upon minus 3, 15 upon minus 8, minus 15 upon 8. So these rational numbers, you have to find positive rational numbers. So positive rational numbers means plus sign. Negative rational numbers means minus sign. So let us see. In this, to decide whether the rational number is positive or negative, we use the division of integers. It is minus and it is plus. So minus upon plus, it will be minus. This is plus and this is minus. 3 means plus 3. So plus upon minus, it will be minus. Next, minus upon minus. Minus upon minus, this get cancelled, this become plus. Then this is plus upon plus will be plus. And 0 is neither positive nor negative. Then minus upon minus get cancelled, answer is plus. Plus upon minus will be minus. Minus upon plus will be minus. So now 0 is neither positive nor negative. Let us find. 0 is neither positive. 0 is neither positive nor negative. So 0 has no sign. 0 is neither positive nor negative. So 0 is neither positive nor negative. Because 0 has no sign. We don't write plus 0 or minus 0. 0 is neither positive nor negative. Okay, so this 0 is neither positive nor negative. So let us find the negative number. Minus upon, so now from this we write positive rational numbers. Let us write positive rational numbers. Positive rational numbers. And we write negative rational numbers. Positive rational numbers and negative rational numbers. Positive rational numbers and negative rational numbers. We list them. Positive rational numbers means plus sign. Negative rational numbers means minus sign. So let us take. First, minus 3 upon plus 5. Minus upon plus minus. So minus 3 by 5 is negative. So we write minus 3 by 5 in the negative rational number. Next, plus upon minus. So 3 upon minus 5 is negative. 3 upon minus 5 is negative. 3 upon minus 5 is negative rational number. Because plus upon minus is minus. Minus upon plus is minus. Let us take minus 3 upon minus 5. Minus upon minus is plus, because minus sign get cancelled. So 3 upon minus 5. Minus 3 upon minus 5 is positive, because minus sign get cancelled. Then 3 upon 5. Plus upon plus will be plus. So 3 upon 5 is positive. Then 0 is neither positive nor negative. So 0 you will not write in positive rational number or negative rational number, because 0 is neither positive nor negative. Let us take minus upon minus. Minus get cancelled, plus. So 13 upon 3, minus 13 upon minus 3 is positive rational number. Then 15 upon minus 8. Plus upon minus will be minus. So 15 upon minus 8 is negative rational number. Then minus upon plus will be minus. Minus upon plus will be minus. So minus 15 upon 8 is also negative rational number. So these are negative rational numbers and these are positive rational numbers. So in order to check whether the rational number is positive or negative, we see the sign. Minus upon plus, minus. So minus 3 upon 5 is negative. Plus upon minus is minus. So 3 upon minus 5 is negative. Minus 3 upon minus 5, minus minus get cancelled, that is 3 upon 5. 3 upon 5, minus 3 upon minus 5 is positive. Then 3 upon 5, plus upon plus will be plus. So 3 upon 5 is positive. 3 upon 5 is positive. Okay. Then 0 has no sign, neither positive nor negative. So 0 I will not write in positive rational number or negative rational number. Then minus 13 upon minus 3, minus minus get cancelled. What is left? 13 upon 3 positive. So minus 13 upon minus 3 is positive. Then 15 upon minus 8, plus upon minus is minus. So 15 upon minus 8 is negative. Then minus 15 upon plus 8, minus upon plus is minus. So minus 15 upon 8 is negative. So those rational number which has minus sign are negative rational numbers, and those rational number which have plus sign are positive rational number. So you have to remember the table of division of integer. You have to remember the table of division of integer. Plus upon plus, plus, plus upon minus, minus, minus upon plus, minus, minus upon minus, plus. So based on that division of integer, we decide whether the rational number is positive or negative. 0 has no sign. 0 has no sign. We don't write plus 0 or minus 0. So 0 is neither positive nor negative. So I will not list 0 in either positive rational number or negative rational number. Nowhere I will write 0, because 0 is neither positive nor negative. Here, so positive rational number means those rational number which have plus sign. Negative rational number means those rational number which have minus sign. Write down fast. Then seventh question. Seventh question. Now let us write the seventh question. Find three rational numbers equivalent to. Find three rational numbers equivalent to. Seventh question. Volume slow. Find three rational numbers equivalent to. Find three rational numbers. Find three rational numbers. Find three rational numbers equivalent to. Find three rational numbers equivalent to. First it is 3 upon 5. 3 upon 5 is a rational number, because you can see numerator, you can see denominator. So this is my numerator and this is my denominator. To get three rational number equivalent to me, I have to multiply numerator and denominator by three different numbers. So first I will multiply 3 upon 5. 3 upon 5 with 2 into 2, multiply numerator and denominator by 2. Then I will multiply this rational number with next 3, so 3 into 3 upon 5 into 3. So there I have multiplied this rational number 3 by 5 with 2. 2 in numerator, 2 in denominator. 3 in numerator, 3 in denominator. Then to get third rational number equivalent to this, I will multiply, first I multiplied by 2, then 3, now I will multiply by 4. So 3 into 4 upon 5 into 4. 3 into 4 upon 5 into 4. You will get 3 equivalent rational number. To get 3 equivalent rational number, we have to multiply the numerator and denominator of that rational number by 3 different numbers. First I have multiplied numerator and denominator with 2, then I have multiplied numerator and denominator with 3, then I have multiplied numerator and denominator with 4. Let us see. 3 2s are 6, 6 upon 5 2s are 10. This is my first rational number. Then 3 into 3, 9 upon 5 3s are 15, 9 upon 15. Then 3 4s are 12, upon 5 4s are 20. So these three are equivalent. These three rational numbers are equivalent to 3 by 5. Are equivalent to 3 upon 5. So these three are rational numbers equivalent to 3 by 5. Is it clear? To get the three different rational number equivalent to the given rational number, we multiply the numerator and denominator of that rational number by three different numbers. First I have multiplied numerator and denominator with 2, then I have multiplied numerator and denominator with 3, then I have multiplied numerator and denominator with 4. So 2, 3, 4, I have three different numbers I have multiplied numerator to and denominator. So 3 2s are 6, 5 2s are 10. This is my first rational number. 3 3s are 9, upon 5 3s are 15. 9 upon 15 is my second rational number. 3 into 4, 12, 5 4s are 20. 12 upon 20 is third rational number. So these three rational numbers, they are equivalent to 3 upon 5. These three rational numbers are equivalent to the rational number 3 upon 5. Okay. Now see the next question. Next it is 4 upon minus 7. 4 upon minus 7. 4 upon minus 7. Same technique we apply. 4 upon minus 7. We want to find three rational numbers equivalent to 4 upon minus 7. You want to find three rational numbers equivalent to 4 upon minus 7. 4 upon minus 7. You want three rational number equivalent to 4 upon minus 7. Now second, 4 upon minus 7. Now how you will get the first rational number? I will multiply numerator and denominator of this rational number. This is my numerator and this is my denominator. You have to multiply numerator and denominator with three different numbers. So first I will multiply with 2, 4 into 2 upon minus 7 into 2. Then second rational number with 3, 4 into 3 upon minus 7 into 3. Then third rational number, first I multiply with 2, now 3, now 4. 4 into 4 upon minus 7 into 4. To get the first rational number, I will multiply numerator and denominator with 2. Okay. To get the second rational number, I have multiplied numerator and denominator with 3. To get the third rational number, I have multiplied numerator and denominator with 4. So let us see. You have to take the care. Multiplication of plus plus will be plus. So plus 4 into plus 2 is 8 upon minus 7 into 2. Minus into plus, minus 14. First rational number. Then 4 3s are 12 upon minus into plus, minus 7 into 3, 21. Second rational number. Then 4 into 4, 16 upon minus 7 into 4. Minus 7 into plus 4. Minus into plus, minus 28. So first rational number is 8 upon minus 14. Second rational number is 12 upon minus 21. Third rational number is 16 upon minus 28. Are three rational numbers. These are three rational numbers equivalent to the rational number 4 upon minus 7. Equivalent to the rational number 4 upon minus 7. To the rational number 4 upon minus 7. So you are given the original rational number 4 upon minus 7. Then to get three rational number equivalent to this, I will multiply numerator and denominator of that original rational number with three different numbers. First I multiply with 2, then I have multiplied numerator and denominator with 3, then I have multiplied numerator and denominator with 4. So 2, then 3, then 4. Now multiply. 4 2s are 8, minus into plus minus, 7 2s are 14. 8 upon minus 14 is first rational number. 4 3s are 12, minus 7 into 3, minus 21, second rational number. 4 into 4, 16, minus 7 into 4, minus 28. This is my third rational number. So these three rational numbers are equivalent to the original rational number 4 upon minus 7. Is it clear? So what is the working method in this? To get three different rational number equivalent to the given rational number, we multiply numerator and denominator of that rational number with three different numbers. First I will multiply numerator and denominator with 2, then I will multiply numerator and denominator with 3, then I will multiply numerator and denominator with 4, and then simplify. You will get three different rational numbers. So now third part. Third is minus 5 upon 9. So this third and 4 I am going to give homework. Third and 4 I will give homework. Third and 4 will be homework. So to find three different rational number equivalent to the given rational number, we multiply numerator and denominator of that rational number with three different numbers. Second, it is third, minus 5 upon 9, minus 5 upon 9. So multiply and divide numerator and denominator with 2, then 3, then 4. So this will be homework. Then fourth part, 8 upon minus 15. 8 upon minus 15. Multiply numerator and denominator with three different numbers, 2, then 3, then 4. So this will be homework. Now, eighth one. Which of the following are not rational number? Okay. Eighth one. Which of the following are not rational number? Which of the following are not rational number? You have to find out the rational number. You have to find out the number which is not rational number. You have to find out the number which is not rational number. First, minus 3. First it is minus 3. First it is minus 3. Minus 3 I can write minus 3 upon 1. So it has numerator and denominator both. It has numerator and denominator both. And denominator is equal to 1, which is not equal to 0. Therefore it is a rational number. Minus 3 is a rational number. Minus 3 is a rational number. Minus 3 is a rational number. So this is the rational number, minus 3. Let us check other 0. Second, so two things you have to check in the rational number. Rational number you have to write down in the form of numerator upon denominator and check whether denominator is non-zero. If denominator is not equal to 0, denominator should be non-zero. Denominator of rational number should not be equal to 0. If the denominator is 0, then it is not a rational number. Let us check. Second, 0 I can write 0 upon 1 and denominator is 1, which is not equal to 0. So 0 is a rational number. 0 is a rational number. Okay, because denominator is 1. 1 is not equal to 0. Now third, 0 upon 4. 0 upon 4, yes, it is a rational number because 0 is my numerator and 4 is my denominator. And here denominator is 4, which is not equal to 0. So whenever denominator is non-zero, it is a rational number. So 0 upon 4 is a rational number. 0 upon 4 is a rational number because denominator is non-zero. Denominator of rational number should not be equal to 0. Then fourth, 8 upon 0. Fourth, 8 upon 0. What is my numerator? Numerator is 8. And what is my denominator? Denominator is 0. So here denominator is 0. Yes or no? Here denominator is 0. So it is not a rational number. So 8 upon 0 is not a rational number. Is not a rational number. Because denominator is 0, my dear. It is not a rational number because denominator is 0. And for rational number, you must have denominator not equal to 0. But if denominator is 0, then it is not a rational number. Okay? Now fifth is 0 upon 0. 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 Let us see fifth one. Fifth one is 0 upon 0. 0 upon 0, numerator is 0. Okay. What about denominator? Denominator is also 0. So here denominator is 0. dr means denominator. Denominator is 0. Numerator can be 0, but denominator should not be equal to 0 in rational number. So here denominator is 0. So 0 upon 0 is not a rational number. Is not a rational number because denominator is 0. So whenever the denominator is 0, then it is not a rational number. Clear? And whenever denominator is not equal to 0, then it is a rational number. Denominator can be negative. Denominator can be positive, but denominator should not be equal to 0. For rational number, denominator can be positive, denominator can be negative, but denominator should not be 0 for rational number. If denominator is 0, then it is not a rational number. Okay? Okay. Ninth one. Express each of the following integer as a rational number with denominator 7. Express each of the following. Express each of the following. Express each of the following. Express each of the following integers. Express each of the following integers as a rational number. As a rational number. Express each of the following integer. You are given an integer. That integer you have to express a rational number. But what rational number? With denominator 7. You should have 7 in the denominator. With denominator 7. Okay. So you have to convert a integer to rational number. But denominator should be 7. You have to convert a integer to rational number. But you should have denominator 7. So what you have to do in this? You are given an integer. You have to convert this integer to rational number. Numerator upon denominator. But you want denominator as 7. Is it clear? You have to convert an integer to rational number with denominator 7. Numerator can be anything, but we want denominator 7. So first it is 5. Let us take 5. 5 is an integer. 5 is an integer. This is an integer. Correct? So integer we can write in rational number. So 5 I can write 5 upon 1. 5 I can write 5 upon 1. What is my numerator? Numerator is 5. What is my denominator? Denominator is 1. But this 1 denominator you have to convert into 7. So denominator we have to convert into 7. Denominator we have to convert into 7. So this 1 we want 7. So what? I have to multiply 1 by 7. So when I will multiply 1 by 7, simultaneously I have to multiply numerator by also 7. So we write multiply numerator and denominator by 7. multiply numerator and denominator by 7, because this 1 we have to convert into 7, because that integer we have to convert into rational number. But what rational number? Denominator 7. So 5, I have written 5 upon 1. So this is a rational number. Integer 5 I have converted into rational number by writing 5 upon 1. But we want denominator of that rational number 7. So this 1 should be multiplied by 7. So I have to multiply both numerator and denominator both by 7. So this becomes 5 into 7 upon 1 into 7. 5 sevens are 35. 1 sevens are 7. So the answer is 35 upon 7. So this 5 I can write 35 upon 7, which is a rational number. Which is a rational number. 35 upon 7 is a rational number with denominator 7. Rational number with denominator 7. We want the denominator of that rational number as 7. Is it clear? So 5 can be written as 5 upon 1, but denominator is 1. This denominator we want 7. So multiply numerator and denominator both by 7. 7, 7. We have multiplied numerator and denominator both with 7, 7. So 5 sevens are 35, 1 sevens are 7. So now the denominator is 7. So 35 upon 7 is a rational number with denominator 7. Clear? Okay. Let us see the next one. Minus 8. Next is minus 8. Same thing. Same thing you will do. Minus 8. Okay. Minus 8. Second question. You are given minus 8. Minus 8 is a negative integer. So minus 8 is a negative integer. This integer we have to convert to rational number. So minus 8 I can write minus 8 upon 1. Yes. Whenever any number is divided by 1, you will get the same number. So now minus 8 is my numerator and 1 is my denominator. But you want the rational number whose denominator must be 7. So this 1 I have to convert into 7. So what I will do? How I have done earlier? This 1 I have converted into 7. Multiply numerator and denominator by 7. So we write multiply numerator and denominator by 7. Multiply numerator and denominator by 7. So that is minus 8 into 7 upon 1 into 7. So we have multiplied numerator and denominator both with 7. 7. Now multiply. Multiplication you have to take care. Minus into plus will be minus. So minus 8 into 7, minus 56 upon 1 into 7, 7. So now this is the rational number with denominator 7. Now the denominator is 7. So we stop here. So minus 8 I can write minus 56 upon 7. And now the denominator is 7. So which is a rational number? Which is a rational number with denominator 7. Which is a rational number with denominator 7. With denominator 7. Is it clear? So this completes this. So minus 8. Minus 8 I can write minus 8 upon 1. So numerator is minus 8, denominator is 1. Now this denominator we want 7. So multiply numerator and denominator by 7. You will get minus 56 upon 7. Now the denominator is 7. We stop here. So this is my rational number with denominator 7. So minus 8 can be written as minus 56 upon 7. This is a rational number whose denominator is 7. Okay. Now third one is 0. 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 Okay. let us take 0. What you can write 0? You can write 0 as 0 upon 1. You can write 0 as 0 upon 1. Now my numerator is 0, denominator is 1. Numerator can be anything, but the denominator of rational number should not be 0. Now this is 1. This 1 we have to convert into 7. So multiply by 7. So multiply numerator and denominator by 7. Multiply numerator and denominator by 7. Because this 1 we have to convert into 7. In the question it is asked, you have to convert the integer to rational number whose denominator is 7. So multiply and divide by 7. So 0 into 7 upon 1 into 7. We have multiplied numerator and denominator with 7. Now 0 multiplied by 7 will be 0. 1 into 7 is 7. So 0 upon 7. So 0, now the denominator is 7. Correct? So 0 I can write 0 upon 7. 0 I can write 0 upon 7, which is the rational number with denominator 7. So write down, which is a rational number, which is a rational number, which is a rational number with denominator 7, with denominator 7. So 0 I can write 0 upon 7. Is it clear, this 0? 0 I can write 0 upon 1. 0 divided by any negative number or any positive number is 0. So 0 upon 1. But we want denominator 7. So this 1 we write, to convert 1 into 7, I will multiply numerator and denominator with 7. So 0 into 7 upon 1 into 7. 0 is multiplied by any number 0. 1 into 7, 7. So 0 upon 7. So 0 can be written as 0 upon 7. 0 can be written as 0 upon 7. While multiplication of number, you have to be careful with the sign. Multiplication of plus, 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 minus, 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 plus, minus, minus into minus, plus. That care you should take. That care should be taken while multiplying the two numbers. Then, fourth one is minus 16. Minus 16, homework. You will write minus 16 as minus 16 upon 1. Then multiply numerator and denominator by 7. Then fifth one is 7. 7 you will write 7 upon 1 and then multiply numerator and denominator with 7. Homework. Okay. Now next question. Express 10th question. 10th question. Express 3 upon 5. Express 3 upon 5 as a rational number. Express 3 upon 5 as a rational number. Express 3 upon 5 as a rational number with denominator first it is 20. Second it is minus 20. You want denominator. This is my denominator. You want denominator 20. You want denominator minus 20. Then third 45. You want denominator 45. Then fourth 25. Then fifth it is minus 35. You want denominator minus 35. You want denominator 25. You want denominator minus 35. That's all. Okay. So let us solve this first. So you have to express 3 upon 5 as a rational number with denominator first 20. First we want the denominator as 20. So let us solve this. So 3 upon 5 is a rational number. This 3 upon 5 we have to convert a rational number numerator upon denominator. You want denominator 20. First case. You want denominator 20. Okay. So this is a rational number. Numerator upon denominator. So that means I have converted 5 into 20. We have to convert 5 into 20. So 3 upon 5 is given. You want denominator 20. So when you will get denominator 20, denominator is 5, no? Denominator is 5. So this 5 we have to convert into 20. So multiply 5 by 4. So multiply numerator also by 4. So 3 into 4 upon 5 into 4. So 3 4s are 12, 5 4s are 20. So this is 12 upon 20. So 3 upon 5 I have written as 12 upon 20, which is a rational number, with denominator 20, which is a rational number with denominator 20, because in the question it is asked, find the rational number with denominator 20. Okay. So 3 upon 5, you want plus 20. So multiply by 4, plus 4 in numerator, plus 4 in denominator. Multiply by numerator by 4, multiply denominator by 4, because you want plus 20. Now second, it is minus 20. 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 So now, see this. Second, you are given the rational number 3 by 5. You have to convert this to rational number, numerator upon denominator. Now you want denominator minus 20. Now you want denominator, earlier you want denominator plus 20. Now you want denominator minus 20. Correct? So now this is 5. And the number is negative. Minus 20 is negative. So you will multiply 5 by minus 4. Because we know that multiplication of plus into minus is minus. Multiplication of plus into minus is minus. You want 5 as minus 20. That means this positive becomes negative. So when positive becomes negative means this positive is multiplied by negative number. So we write multiply numerator and denominator by minus 4. Numerator and denominator by minus 4, because you want minus 20, my dear. Plus 5 you want minus 20. So plus 5 I will multiply by minus 4. So 3 upon 5. Multiply and divide by minus 4. So 3 into minus 4 upon 5 into minus 4. Because we want denominator as minus 20. It is plus 5. So plus into minus, minus. Now remember, plus into minus. So plus 3 into minus 4 is minus 12. Plus 5 into minus 4 is minus 20. So now this is the rational number with denominator minus 20. So 3 upon 5 can be written as minus 12 upon minus 20. And this 20 minus 20 is my denominator. So minus 12 upon minus 20, which is a rational number, with denominator minus 20. Which is a rational number with denominator minus 20. With denominator minus 20. Okay. So to convert 5 into minus 20, I have to multiply. We know that 5 into 4 is 20. But to get minus 20, I will, instead of 4, I will multiply by minus 4. Okay. So this we multiply by minus 4. Numerator minus 4, denominator. That's all. Now next is 45. We want 45. So 3 upon 5, we have to convert to the rational number whose denominator is 45. Okay. So third, 3 upon 5. This is the rational number. We have to convert this to the rational number, numerator upon denominator. Now you want denominator as 45 plus 45. So 5 you will multiply by 9. So 3 upon 5 multiply and divide 3 into 9, 5 into 9. Because to convert 5 into 45, I have to multiply 5 by 9. So multiply by 9 in numerator, multiply by 9 in denominator. So let us see. 9 3s are 27, 5 4s are 5 9s are 45. So 27 upon 45. So 3 upon 5 is written as 27 upon 45, which is a rational number. 27 upon 45 is a rational number. Is a rational number with denominator 45. Is a rational number with denominator 45. With denominator 45. Clear? So when you are taking multiplication, you have to take care. Whenever it is plus sign, we multiply by positive 9. If it is minus 45, we multiply by minus 9. Because we know that multiplication of plus into minus is minus. Minus into minus is plus. Plus into plus is plus. So that care you should take. The next is Next is 25. Fourth. 3 upon 5 is a rational number. You have to convert this to another rational number, numerator upon denominator. But you want denominator as 25. You want denominator as 25. So how you will get denominator 5 becomes 25? When I will multiply by 5 by 5. So 3 upon 5. We multiply and divide by 5. 3 5s are 15, 5 5s are 25. Correct? This is my denominator, my dear. This denominator we want 25. So multiply 5 by 5. So 3 5s are 15, 5 5s are 25. So finally 3 upon 5 is written as 15 upon 25, which is a rational number. Now my denominator is 25, which is a rational number. Which is a rational number with denominator 25. Which is a rational number with denominator 25. Which is a rational number with denominator 25. DR means denominator. DR means denominator. And fifth one is 3 upon 5, you have to write the rational number with denominator minus 35. So 3 upon 5 is the rational number. This we have to convert into another rational number with denominator minus 35. Repeating, you want denominator minus 35. This is plus 5. So positive number becomes negative. So you have to multiply positive by negative. So we know 5 7s are 35. So multiply numerator and denominator by minus 7. Multiply numerator and denominator by minus 7. Denominator by minus 7. So 3 upon 5, you want denominator as minus 35. So 3 into minus 7 upon 5 into minus 7. Now multiplication of plus into minus will be minus, so that is minus 21 upon minus 35. Now the denominator is minus 35. Now the denominator is minus 35. So 3 upon 5 I can write minus 21 upon minus 35. Minus 21 upon minus 35, which is the rational number with denominator minus 35. Okay. So now we stop here. Okay, bye everybody, bye.